Ex-Johnson's aide running smear campaign against Sadiq Khan, says Labour. Labour has said that London Mayor Sadiq Khan is being targeted by online smear campaign run by former aide to Boris Johnson, who has previously been involved with the grassroots campaign pushing for no-deal Brexit. The party's deputy leader Angela Rayner highlighted a massing anti-Khan attack ad that has begun to appear on Facebook, YouTube and elsewhere, asking, "Do you want to use your vote to stop Sadiq Khan running our city?" The advert was put out in the name of the Fair Tax campaign, but while it asks a series of questions about knife crime transport against sound of a heartbeat, it does not endorse specific candidate in the opposition into the incumbent mayor. It has been picked up by Nigel Farage, who targeted retweeted in this last week, attacking 2,000 retweets and 88,000 likes, and Facebook data suggested it has popped up 5,000 to 6,000 times. Fair Tax Campaign shows director, according to Campaign House, is a former Johnson advisor, Alex Crowley, who helped run Mainstream Network online campaign that called on MPs to deliver Brexit without a deal in 2019. After featuring an angry-looking Khan pointing apparently at the viewer, the final image shows a ballot paper with 3 points: Sadiq Aman Khan, the Labour Party candidate, someone with a plan, and someone you trust. Reiner said the advert amounted to dirty underhand tactic to try and smear Sadiq Khan, and is called on Khan's conservative rival, Sean Bailey, to immediately distance himself from this dirty tactic and call of the shadowy campaign to stop. The advert appeared a little over a week ago, while a second form to same group is accused of Khan blaming everybody but himself. According to disclosure from Facebook, the Fair Tax campaign has spent £13,730 in the past 7 days, which Labour believes shows the beginning of a serious online effort. The advert appeared a little over a week ago, while a second form to same group accused Khan of blaming everybody but himself. According to disclosure from Facebook, the Fair Tax campaign has spent £13,730 in last 7 days, which Labour believes to shows the beginning of serious online effort. The Fair Tax campaign solicits for donations online on its website. Although it's unclear where the money spent far from come from, the group did not respond to a request for comment when contacted by the Guardians. Group of such the Fair Tax campaign, which is campaigning the mayoral elections but not directly acting for candidate, are also subjected to live disclosure rules. They do not have to register with or report donations to the Electoral Commission, although they are subjected to spending limit of about £30,000. Crowley was research director and then political director of Johnson's London mayoral elections campaign in 2008 and 2012, wrote a book about his early political career. He subsequently worked in Downing Street. Johnson became Prime Minister but quit September in 2019. He was one of number of individuals linked to the Sir Linton Crosby CTF, partners who helped organize the mainstream network No Deal Brexit. One of those anti-Corbyn ads were accused of breaching Facebook's advertising rules because it did not carry an appropriate page for disclaimer. Khan is well ahead in polls to become London's mayor and may win the election in a single round if he can achieve more than 50% in the first preferences. Polling taken between 17 March and 20 March opium this on 53%, which Bailey is struggling on 28%. The attack ads appear to represent an attempt to reduce Mayor's first preferences vote, attempt to force a second round of where other minor candidates are eliminated. I hope you like this video. If you like my videos, then I request you to subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you for watching. We will meet you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.